What an insane and crazy heart-pounding roller coaster ride this morning. In the pre-market, CCIV rose as high as $35, a whopping 55+% gain. Then in mid-morning of trading was halted, not once but 3 times. CCIV lost as much as 16% in a couple minutes before going back to green. In this video, I will discuss what happened, more importantly, why it happened. I will also provide with you with my thoughts and what I did. Make sure to watch it all the way to the end, so stick around. Sawasdee Cup. That's hello in Thai and welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Anthony and I'm a former engineer and data analyst turned entrepreneur and investor. In my prior career, I was very successful in creating predictive models for Fortune 500 companies in Silicon Valley using historical data to predict future outcomes. I applied my knowledge to my own portfolio and in the past 12 months, I grew it to more than 500%. In this channel, I focus on high growth and disruptive technology stocks for short-term momentum trades and long-term investments. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for your support. Please help us grow these small channels to 5,000 subscribers by hitting the sub button below. Make sure to hit the notification button so you get my latest video update. While you're at it, do hit the like button and share the video. Be sure to comment your thoughts on CCIV volatility. I will see you down there. Please note that this video is for entertainment purpose only. I am not licensed. However, that does not mean that I won't present you with facts and trading ideas that will supercharge up your portfolio. No BS and straight to the point. So let's get right into it. CCIV went as much as 55+% in pre-market based on an article from the Financial Times stating that Lucid Motors is in talk with the Saudi Arabia Sovereign Wealth Fund, aka Public Investment Fund or PIF, to build an EV factory in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The fund's governor, Yasser Al-Rumayyan, confirmed the talks. Note that in 2018, the Saudi PIF had purchased a 67% stake in Lucid Motors for $1.3 billion. That deal had a stipulation that Lucid has to build a factory in the kingdom. This is part of the Saudi PIF's strategic plan, knowing that the oil industry is being disrupted. In any case, Lucid has used the $1.3 billion funds to stay afloat and built its AMP-1 manufacturing facility in Arizona. This factory will have an annual capacity of 30,000 vehicles with plans to increase to 40,000. Now Lucid's attention is to deliver their promise to build a factory in Saudi Arabia. This is actually great news. This only supports the idea why Lucid has to go through the spec route. CCIV lost its gains when the market opened and was trading around its $26 range. Around 10:20 a.m., Rahel Salim wrote an article headline, Lucid Motors and the Spec Churchill Capital Corp IV or CCIV may have to delay their merger agreement until negotiations over a Saudi production facility conclude. Needless to say, this sent the stock down as a lot of people were anticipating a potential merger announcement today. Compound this with the broader market sell-off, CCIV just tanked. Trading was halted 3 times. It lost more than 16% in a couple minutes. I speculate the sell-off could be an AI software trading. When you look at the broader market indexes, you can see a very similar pattern of the dip and rebound around the same time. However, for CCIV's case, it smelled like smart money manipulation. As an experienced investor, you will stay calm and find out what actually happened. Just be aware that smart money or big institution money will prey on retail investors, in particular on new and inexperienced investors, aka dumb money. They know that through their stock price manipulation, they can create a panic sell. Once it reaches a target price or when it bottoms out, smart money will come in and scoop up those shares at a major discount. This is as evidence provided Trade with Alert's Twitter posts showing big institution money buying CCIV in blocks of $12 to $22 million. Guys, the gamification of Wall Street is very cruel and very unforgiving. I have to admit that with my 25 years of trading and investing, this is the most craziest merger rumor stock ever. There's so much manipulation. I was concerned for a moment, but I also knew that CCIV was very volatile. Let's demonstrate what I mean. Let's take a look at the 10-minute chart. During my analysis of CCIV, I studied historical data via statistical analysis, technical analysis, trading patterns, etc. I noticed that CCIV will have a big red candlestick but would gradually rebound. When it does have a big green candlestick, it will follow by a big red candlestick. This is probably just profit taking. So note this as CCIV is very volatile during this period. Today did present a buying opportunity. However, I did not buy because my money is working on other stocks. I'm still holding onto my CCIV options. I knew that eventually it would rebound. The plan is to sell it when it reached my target of $45 to $55 or at whatever price it is before the expiration date on my contracts. As with the anticipation confirmation of the Saudi PIF's governor going on CNBC Squawk at 10 a.m. today. That didn't happen. I've been watching CNBC since 6 a.m. and have not seen it unless I totally missed it. So no news update on this one. Here's a screenshot of CCIV that just got listed on the TradeGate exchange courtesy of Alex Cutler. It is rather interesting that they are listing internationally before an official announcement is made. Or perhaps they are getting ready for the merger announcement. You decide. Here's another screenshot of CCIV being held by 56 institutions courtesy of Chendok. At the time of this recording, it is now trading sideways at around $24.50. It is consolidating and forming a base. This is actually healthy. However, if you look at the one-day chart, it appears that it's forming a hangman candlestick pattern. This is actually a bearish sign. However, we will need confirmation tomorrow. If it trades below the closing price today, then that means the trend has reversed. The stock could potentially dip a little bit tomorrow and continue to rebound and trade sideways again. Looking at the MACD is still very bullish. The RSI is still very high, meaning that it's overbought. Volume is very good. It is still trading in the trend channel that I've outlined. My only concern is that it's forming a hangman candlestick pattern. However, we do need a confirmation tomorrow. But I think with such a bullish MACD that it might continue to run up again. At this point, as an investor and trader, we have to piece the available puzzle and make the agonizing decision on which way the wind is blowing. From there, depending on the outcome, CCIV stock price will either soar up or drop like a rock, with likely little gray area in between. So there you have it, today's CCIV news update. If you find the content of this video valuable, please hit the sub button below if you have not already done so. Please do like, share, and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are below. I will see you down there. Happy trading and investing. Let's go make some moolah!